German short rows are amazing, but what if one of them pops off your needle before you can work it? So this is how you can fix it. If you're knitting along and pop. So now what do? Okay, so let's take a look at this. We are left with a stitch right here and a loop, which looks a lot like kind of what you get with a wrap and turn short row, or a Japanese short row, or a Sunday short row. So you can just work it that way. So you're going to put it back up on your needle. Here's the stitch, here's the loop, and you're going to knit those two together. And then just keep on working. And look at that. Totally saved.